S-5 is really easy to work with. They have a different product that is meant to suit the type of roof that you're going to be working with.
You know, we've had a long history with S-5, and we really think that our new assembly takes us to the next level.
Probably since 2008, 2010, we've been using S-5. We probably have 2.5 megawatts of installed capacity using S-5.
We've been using S-5 across most of our projects.
We use them all the time. We've always had tremendous success with them. And one of my favorite things about them is they're made in the States.
Fantastic product. They have so many options. They're very, very sturdy and just always seem to do the job that needs to be done.
The installation was quick, very simple, and it really facilitated everything. We worked on that project. You know, wire management was very, very easy after that.
And you just saved one of our projects because we're able to use the PV kit without rails. Without that product, we would have lost the project.
And they really are the one-stop shop. They're so sturdy and reliable. S-5s just come through every time.
You're going to want to come back and get more of them the next time it comes up because you'll have figured it out and realize that it's easy to use.
And you said a lot of nice things about S-5, and I'm not even paying you, right?